Managing payroll for a small business shouldn't feel like a second full-time job. As we move into 2026, tax tables are shifting and compliance is becoming more complex. Today, I'm going to show you how to take full control of your payroll using the Spreadsheet 1.2.3 Payroll Calculator Pro, specifically focusing on the latest beta 2.0.3. Everything starts in the employee register. In previous versions, you had to be careful with your list. Not anymore. In the new version, if an employee leaves, you could simply delete the entire row. Because our new architecture saves payroll as static data, deleting a person won't affect your historical year-to-date records. Adding employees is just as easy. You can insert a new row anywhere between the header and the designated bottom line. Just right-click and insert. To keep everything consistent, I recommend copying an existing row and pasting it over your new one. This ensures all formatting and background formulas remain perfect. Just stay above that bottom marker so your drop-down menus update automatically. While you can add as many rows as you need, we find that the spreadsheet performs at its best with up to 50 employees. This keeps your calculations fast and your interface snappy. Let's move to the Payroll Calculator tab to see this in action. First, I will select an employee from the drop-down list. Next, I will enter the pay period from and to dates. Now I will add the pay date. Moving down to the earnings, I will enter the regular hours worked for this period. I will also add a bonus under taxable compensations. With the data ready, I will click the Save and Print button. This generates a PDF of the pay stub for your records. Now, let's switch over to the Year-to-Date tab to see what happens behind the scenes. You can see the new entry right here. Notice that this data is saved as static snapshot. There are no formulas in these cells, only hard values. Because it's saved this way, your history is now logged in. It remains 100% accurate, even if you delete or change that employee in the register later. Now let's walk through the macro-free version. While the interface is identical to the macro-enabled version, the workflow follows a specific manual sequence to ensure your data remains accurate and your historical records stay intact. First, we select our employee from the drop-down on the Payroll Calculator tab and fill in the specifics: pay period dates, payment date, hours, and bonuses. Because all formulas are live, your totals are calculated instantly and are ready for review. Once the data is set, switch over to the Pay Stub tab for a formatted view of the pay stub. To save this as PDF, go to File, Print, then select Microsoft Print to PDF as your printer. Click Print, and when the prompt appears, use a standard naming convention such as employee name, followed by the payment date and the pay stub number. This keeps your digital records organized and easy to search. Next, we must archive this data so it reflects correctly in the future pay stubs. First, navigate to the Copy to Year-to-Date tab. Highlight the row containing the current data by clicking on the row number or using the shortcut Shift-Space. Copy the row by clicking Copy button on the Home ribbon or press Ctrl-C. Now, move to the Year-to-Date tab and find the first empty row. We cannot simply hit Paste. We must paste as values. You can either click on the arrow under the Paste button and select Values icon, or right-click the row number and select Values under the Paste option. This converts the formulas into static numbers. Look in the history before we reset the calculator. What if you accidentally use a standard paste instead of paste values? If you notice the numbers look strange or display errors like reference, you likely perform the standard paste. Don't worry, simply hit Ctrl-Z immediately to undo the action and try again using paste values option. It is vital to fix this before you clear the calculator. With the data safely archived in our year-to-date sheet, head back to the Payroll Calculator tab. Simply highlight the input fields and hit Delete. The calculator is now blank and perfectly prepped for your next entry. Now that we've mastered the payroll cycle and archiving, let's look at how to pull that data into a professional summary. The employee report is your primary tool for audits, employee queries, and quarterly reporting. To generate a report, start by selecting the employee name from the drop-down menu. Once the name is selected, you have the flexibility to define your reporting period. Enter your from and to dates here. Whether you need a full year-to-date summary or just specific quarterly report for tax purposes, the sheet instantly aggregates the data from your year-to-date tab based on these exact dates. The report immediately populates a comprehensive breakdown of gross pay, federal withholdings, FICA and state-specific deductions. Because this pulls directly from your frozen historical records in year-to-date ledger, it provides an audit-ready reflection of exactly what was paid during that window. This suite is fully unlocked, so you can easily add your company logo to the header. When the report is ready, simply print or save it as PDF. As you can see in the print preview, it's already formatted to fit perfectly on a single page for your records or your employee. While the employee report focuses on the individual, the IRS report is designed for business owner. This is your high-level summary used for quarterly tax filings, such as the Form 941, or for preparing your annual federal tax deposits. Just like the employee report, this sheet is date-driven. Simply enter the from and to dates for the period you are reporting on. For example, the full first quarter from 1st of October to December 31st. The report instantly scans your entire year-to-date tab and aggregates the totals for every employee paid during that window. You will see a clear line item breakdown of total gross wages, federal income tax withheld, state tax withheld, Social Security and Medicare. This eliminates the need for manual calculations or complex pivot tables. The numbers you see here are exact totals you need to transfer to your federal and state tax documents. Because this version archives every paycheck as static value, you can be 100% confident that these quarterly totals match the individual pay stubs issued to your staff. When the report is ready, simply print or save it as PDF. It's a clean, professional document that provides a perfect audit trail for your accountant or the person who prepares your tax. One of the standout features of the beta version is its history integrity. Because our workflow, whether you use automated button or the manual paste values method, saves every pay period as static data, updating your tax tables is incredibly simple. You don't have to worry about past records changing when the laws do. Here is how to update your file. Navigate to the Federal Tax Tables New tab. Download the latest payroll calculator from our website whenever new tax tables are released. Copy the tax tables from the new version and paste them directly over the existing data in your current sheet. Because your previous payroll rounds were archived as static values, they're locked. Updating these tables won't change a single cent in your history. The new rates will apply automatically the next time you select an employee on the PC tab. This allows you to maintain one continuous file for the entire year, without any complex extra steps. Whether you choose the high-speed automation of the macro-enabled version or the manual precision of the macro-free version, the Pro Suite is built to give you total control over your business's most sensitive data. By keeping your payroll local, you ensure maximum security, transparency and compliance, without the recurring costs of the cloud software. Just remember, the strength of your payroll depends on the integrity of your year-to-date records, so stay consistent with your archiving. I hope you learned something new about how to streamline your payroll processes today. This is one of our first videos, and I'll be making many more tutorials about this suite and many other spreadsheets available on our site. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below letting us know what you liked or what would you like to see next. For more details on the state-specific templates or to download the Pro Suite, visit the link in the description or check out our latest deep dive on the blog.